Hello everyone, this is Afra from Quick WordPress Websites. In this video, we'll see how to download, install, activate and demo import of The7, the most customizable theme in the market for that supporting Elementor and WP Bakery. When you see the live preview of the theme, so you can scroll through this. So without wasting time, let's see how to install, activate and demo import. If you purchased or downloaded the free GPL file of the 7 theme, you have to unzip the folder. When you unzip the folder, you will have following files, and this is the theme file. So let's go to our WordPress dashboard by entering the WP admin details. Then go to Appearance, then click Themes. In the Themes, click Add New, then click Upload Theme. Here choose File. So now locate the folder you have unzipped where the theme zip folder is there. So select this folder and click Open and click Install Now. Now once the theme is installed, click Activate. Okay, now you can see welcome to the 7. It is latest version, and here you see the theme is registered and other system status. Okay, now let's import the pre-made website. So on the left side you can see the 7, and here down you can see pre-made websites and plugins. So before installing the pre-made websites, go to plugins, and here it shows the important plugin you need to install the 7 pre-made websites. So select all plugins. So here if you want to use Elementor Builder, no need to have this WP Bakery page builder. So you just untick this one. So bulk action, select install, click apply. So it will install and activate all the plugins one by one. Okay, now installation is completed. Click return to plugin installer. It will redirect you to the Elementor builder page. Just close this for the moment. Okay, now let's import the pre-made website. So click The7 and here select pre-made websites. Here you can use full site or single page. So let's import full site. So here if you want to import, it asks for the Elementor Pro. So you have to install the Elementor Pro. So that will be provided in the link. So let's install Elementor Pro and see. So go to the plugins, click add new. I upload the Elementor Pro file. This is, you have to install it separately. It is not come with the 7 theme. So you have to install it separately. So click open and click install now. Then click activate plugin. Okay, now you can see the Elementor Pro is also activated. So let's come back to the The7 and click pre-made websites. So let's go here and let's import this main demo. It's a Elementor main demo. So let's click this import content. Once the installation is completed, you will get the following messages, all done. Let's click visit site and see. Once you click view your website, wow, you can see all the demo contents have been imported. You can scroll down and see all the pages. If you want to edit, rearrange the menu contents, you can go to the dashboard, click appearance, then click menus. Here select the main menu. This main menu, primary menu, then select. Here you can see the menu contents. So you can rearrange by just drag and drop, and you can remove the unnecessary menu items. Finally, you can save the menu. Also, if you want to customize the theme, click appearance, then click customize. Here you will find site identity, menus, widgets, homepage settings, WooCommerce and other things. So for the full customization of this theme, we will create another video. Keep in touch and see the description.